Hi, today we're doing a follow-up video on my $3 steaks from Dollar Tree. Last time we just cooked them up in a pan, worked out really well, gotten a lot of views. This time I'm going to try something different. I did not have sous vide equipment the first time I did it. I do now. That's how we're going to be cooking them today, and we're going to be making steak sandwiches, which I think is the ideal use for the thin steaks that only cost $3 from the Dollar Tree. First, here's what they look like. I know, I've seen better looking steaks. They are very thin. And when you take them out of the package, they almost feel like they're going to fall apart. Now at this time, I think I'm going to be showing you the package up above. That way you can see what the package looks like at the store. Now at the last video, I had a lot of questions about these steaks. So I want to point out that it is all beef, that it is US government, USDA inspected. Now it is not classified, so it does not hit the prime or choice or select. I would say that it probably falls under the ungraded category. Now, a lot of beef is perfectly fine, although it's ungraded. If you're buying a half a cow from a farmer directly, it's going to get butchered. It may be an excellent choice of beef, but it's probably not going to be graded. That does not mean that this is going to be equivalent to that type of beef that you're getting directly from the farmer. But a lot of beef in the United States does not get graded, although it was inspected. It is a product of the USA. That was a question I got a lot from the first video, so I just want to address that right up front. We're going to go ahead, pat these things as dry as possible. I have my bags here. Now I've already put some compound garlic butter into the bags. So I will gently put these in, because as I said, they feel very fragile, shall I say, because they're thin. Now they've also been marinated. So I've had steak videos before where I said, well, I didn't see you put the seasoning on it. Yeah, that's because I may have pre-seasoned it an hour or two before actually starting the video. But in this case, they have been marinated and sitting and marinated the whole time that they've been at the store. They are chock full of sodium, so they do not need any additional salt in them. The compound butter that I'm using just happens to be the young compound butter that I picked up from the Golden Steer Steakhouse out there in Las Vegas, Nevada. I believe it's the oldest steakhouse in Las Vegas. It's where all the gangsters and entertainers used to hang out. Lock it in. That's what it looks like, all nice and sealed. Get the other one done and we'll be ready to go. Done. Ready to pop these in. Now I've got the temperature set at 128 degrees. It is hard to get a steak this skinny to become medium rare. Sous vide is the perfect solution for a steak this thin. Steaks this thin, very easy to overcook. I grew up with a mom that always overcooked all of our steaks because that's the way she liked them. They were all well done. That's not the best way to eat steak. I swear it's really not. I really prefer, I got used to medium and then medium rare, and that's my preference. So tough to get a steak this thin, medium rare. Sous vide is the perfect solution. I'm going to leave it in there for about 2 hours. 1 hour would probably be perfect, but I normally cook my steaks in the sous vide for about 2 hours. That's what I'm used to. It's only going to get more tender, so why not? And then I'll show you how I'm going to be searing this as soon as we pull them out. So I will be back here in about 2 hours. Okay, I'm back. I've just pulled the steaks out of the sous vide bath. First I'm going to Going to do is pat them dry. Get them nice and dry on both sides. Gonna put some of my favorite steak seasoning on them. Butcher Blend Black. It's time to crank up the blowtorch. About 30 to 60 seconds per side. Flip them over. And repeat. Put a little mayonnaise on the bread. Pop a steak on there. A little lettuce. Cut that up. There's what we have inside. I think it's looking pretty good. Check out, see if that gets you an even better angle. And how does it taste? That makes for a pretty darn good sandwich. I think that this might just be the best way to eat a Dollar Tree steak. It's actually got pretty good flavor. So what, if you're enjoying the video, consider a subscription, hopefully a like, and please leave me comments. I love the comments. With that said, I will see y'all the next time. Bye-bye.